Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So today we are going to learn how to read CSV file and insert the records into the database. So let's start it. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have this is the previous code of the reading the CSV file. Okay, so this is server name, so I'm making the connection for the here we have a server name, username, password and the DB. So all details you need to fill up. Okay, then we have an insert query, insert into customers, because you can see that I have a customers table and the test DB. So I'm going to insert all the records. Make sure, let me delete all the rows over here so that we will get to know about the all the datas are added or not. So so I'm going to insert the writing the insert query. So this is serial number, so I don't require the serial number over here because it is auto incremented, so we don't require it. So let me add the ID with the serial number. Okay, so let me create the one row over here. So let me add the serial number is to be integer, and save this. Okay, so let's add the serial number. So serial number is this one. So serial number, then we have a title, so I'm going to add the title is there. Browse, no, title is not there, so it's to be name. Let me check this. Serial number is also not there, so remove this one. So we're starting with the name. It, then we have a name, so let me add the name. Okay, then we have the CSV file name, email, so let me add the email at the same. So let me copy this and add the email. So it's name, then we will add to address. Okay, so let me copy the address part, copy address. Okay, then we have this address is there. Then we have to add the next part, that is email, age. Then we have the email. Okay, then I'm going to add the email over here, email, right? So name, address, age and the email, and the last part we have to remove this one. So we have to remove this line, concatenation part. So this needs to be removed, and this also column needs to be removed. Okay, and let's run it and check it is going to insert the data or the not. Save this. Okay, so let's run this query. So here we go with clear undefined index, undefined. Okay, let me check this one whether the data is coming or not. Print underscore r CSV. Okay, make it die so that we come to know that which the records are coming. Clear. So here we have the serial number, title and the storage. Okay, that means that this CSV is not saved. Sample file, this is still there. Sample file I use. So why it's not reading the properly? Let me this, now it's okay. Name, email address and this part, right? So name, email address and the age. Okay, done. So here we go with this part. Let's me uncomment comment this part, and let's run the query. MySQLi query and expects to be variable connection, con. It's to be con. So here there is a misspell. Okay, now run this one. So you can see that the query is run. Let's have a look on that. So it's not still there. So let me clear this one. Let me check the connection. Print underscore connection. Password is correct. Test DB is test db. Okay, and then we have insert into customers the CSV name, address, CSV. Let me print this SQL query. So there is I plus plus. There is. Let me print this SQL query. Echo dollar SQL. Okay, so I'm going to check this. Is it returning the same thing or not? Die. Okay, so let's run this. Parse syntax error if line number 16. Okay. Let's miss that is connection. Whether the connection is established properly or not. MySQL is it there is no issue insert into customers this storage and organization 20 and this. Okay, let me copy this query and test this in the SQL. Is it correct or not? Copy and go to SQL, insert. Okay, there is a issue in that. This is the different thing. Okay, insert into customers table name, right? Customers name is there, address is there, age is there, and the email is there. So let me check with the structure. Integer, age is integer, so it's coming up this string and the serial number. Let me delete, drop this tape, drop this one, drop. And there is just too much difference in this part. Drop this. Yes. Okay, then we have a ID, name, address, age. Let me change to integer, might be the data type is different. Let me save this one. Okay, let me add the length 100. Save. Okay, let me run this. There is a die. Now you can see that the records are inserted successfully. Okay, you can see there is an issue with this age part, I guess, because we are sending the not integer, we are sending the character. That's the result, it's not going to be inserted. So this is the issue part, right? So this is how we are able to insert all the records from the CSV and insert into the SQL, into the database SQL. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.